Unpacking, harping on, what it means and how to use it. Hello, English enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unpack a very interesting English phrase, harping on. This term can be a bit confusing, so we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and we'll also go over some examples to make it crystal clear. Stay tuned to become more fluent and expressive in English. When someone is harping on something, they're talking or thinking about it incessantly, especially in a way that is tiresome or annoying. The phrase can convey a sense of frustration, either because the speaker thinks the subject is no longer important or because they believe there's too much focus on it. It's like playing the same note on a harp over and over, which can be quite monotonous. Have you ever wondered where the phrase, harping on, comes from? Well, it originates from the musical world. A harp is a stringed instrument that is plucked with the fingers. The term, harping, started to mean repeatedly playing the same note in a way that can become tedious. Over time, this musical reference turned into a metaphorical phrase used to describe someone who won't stop talking about the same topic. Let's see how the phrase is used with some examples. 1. My boss is always harping on the importance of punctuality. 2. She kept harping on what happened last year, and it ruined the mood of the party. 3. I wish he would stop harping on about his problems and do something about them. These examples show how harping on can be used in different situations to express repeated and potentially annoying behavior. If you're looking to use other words with similar meanings, here are some synonyms: dwelling on, going on about, obsessing over, and lingering over. Each of these can be used interchangeably with harping on in the right context. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped clarify the meaning of harping on for you. Remember, learning English phrases like these will help you sound more like a native speaker and enrich your communication skills. Don't forget to practice using harping on in a sentence today, and see if you can notice when others use it too. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.